Hello, everybody. Cindy Grimley here, editor-in-chief at lovemarketing.com, and today we're talking with Kimberly Rice of KLA Marketing about what is a Rainmaker. I've had all kinds of questions, specifically since we announced the Rainmaker of the Year Awards just a couple of days ago. People are asking, what is a Rainmaker really? How do I know if I'm a Rainmaker? And there are some people out there that don't believe that they are a Rainmaker when others do consider them as a Rainmaker. So I've called on you, Kimberly, to help us really define what is a Rainmaker. How can an attorney know, yes, I'm a Rainmaker, or no, I've got some work to do? Give us some tips on, let's first define what's a Rainmaker, and then we'll jump into some of those other pieces.
Absolutely. Thank you, Cindy. It's a pleasure to be here today. I think at the definition of a Rainmaker in just the shortest definition is a Rainmaker is a person, it could be a lawyer and or any other business person who generates business, who brings in clients, who develops clients and a client book on his or her own through relationship building and reputation building tactics. And that's like a whole book worth of conversation there. But to lay an overlay to what is rainmaking to the legal services profession, I think about the one thing that is a constant in our world in legal services, and that is relationships. We're not selling widgets. We're not selling, hardwares. We're selling our intellectual capital. And so lawyers oftentimes need to develop a mindset that it's not product selling, it's service selling, and by extension, they are the product.
Okay. So what kind of words of wisdom would you share with an attorney who is that great relationship builder, who, is that person bringing in clients, but may not really think or believe or consider themselves as a Rainmaker?
Absolutely, and there are many of those. As I've mentioned many times in my workshops and coaching programs, the best Rainmakers are those who have developed, or they do have some natural proclivity to being a relationship builder, that they have a genuine sense of concern and interest into the needs and the problems, the opportunities of those that are in their network. That could be family members, friends of family members, people you go to the gym with, the people you play golf with. There really is no exclusion to who a client could prospectively be. Because if an individual has a legal issue and a said attorney can identify what that may be through employing very strategic, open-ended questioning, it could be a prospective client for that attorney or some other attorney in that attorney's network. So there really is never a hands-off approach. And I think that the skilled Rainmakers, and by extension those who are rewarded successfully to a great degree, understand that by nature we are in the relationship building business, and that it is not only to our advantage, and when I say that from a business success perspective, but really to position yourself as a problem solver or the go-to person for what may be perceived as a need. I mean, I know many clients that, over time and us working together, they become more sensitized to kind of putting themselves out there and maybe engaging in conversations for information gathering that turns into nothing at the moment by their perception of nothing. What I interpret that to be as is investing a little bit of time in building rapport or strengthening an already existing relationship. But by just doing that, the person that walks away will have a positive message from that attorney that A, they really care about what's happening with my business, B, they care about me, C, I'm going to go back to them the next time I have an issue, and D, I'm going to tell my friends and my colleagues and my business associates and my corporate counsel. So the, quote, word of mouth never goes out of style, but there is a very strategic way that successful Rainmakers know how to cultivate that.
Right, great. Well, Kimberly, thank you for that extensive definition. I think that, like you said, there are so many people out there that don't consider themselves a rainmaker, but you've just, really very clearly shared that what those qualities are and how to consider that. So for those of you that are interested in the the Rainmaker of the Year Awards, you can go to rainmakerawards.com, and I'll put the link in this blog post as well. And Kimberly, thank you for joining us as always, and we're going to talk to you again real soon.
Thank you.